What you might have doubts about are your ability to perform up to your own standards, to your own high levels of perfection. And all of us had very high levels of perfection. And we didn't want to do some silly, stupid thing in front of millions of people. And that gets to be very, very powerful motivation to focus your attention on making sure that you're right. We probably expected to have about 60 seconds of fuel left for a normal landing, and we had about 1/4 of that, somewhere in the vicinity of 15 seconds.
60 seconds.
When we reached the point where 60 seconds was called out to us, we were still a ways above the surface, and by the time 30 seconds was called out, I felt quite confident that we were going to be able to get on the surface within the remaining several seconds.
Contact light. Okay, engine stop. We copy you down, Eagle.
It feels alien. It feels like, indeed, you're on another object. You can look out in front of you and see the horizon moving away at a close distance, which says that you're on a sphere that's a lot smaller than the sphere that we're on here on the Earth. You wouldn't find very many flat moon society people because you can see it curving away from you. The sky is a velvet black, and there are no stars because the sun is so bright and reflecting off the lunar surface. Your weight is a good bit less, and because of a heavy backpack on your back, you tend to lean forward. If you lean a little bit too far, instead of falling rapidly the way you would on Earth, you just begin to slowly move, so you just push off from the surface and put your feet underneath you. There are many obstacles to going to Mars, but they're all surmountable if we really understand that we want to expand human capability gradually outward to where we have gone before and where we believe we can continue to go. That, I think, is the human destiny, to continue to explore to the limits of our capabilities.